Okay, next up is Rob Kings from New Jersey. This is going to be another long rod stroker. Machine work on this block has been complete. It's time to fit the main bearings and install the cam bearings and carry on with another one. Something that is new to me doing here at my place versus down in North Carolina is measuring the main bores. I have bought the special tools. The main bore in a Buick V6 is 2.6875 plus or minus 5/10,000ths. So 6870 or 6880 would be the max. And so here's my dial bore gauge, which that reads into 10,000ths of an inch. We're going to stick it in there and we are going to zero it out. You can see I've already zeroed it out. Every time you touch it and put it down, it changes just a little bit. That's pretty good for 10,000ths of an inch. Alright, so I'm going to attempt to do this with one hand. A little bit tougher than it looks, isn't it? There it is, this deflection, point of deflection. So this one's slightly on the big side, and I knew that. Okay, so that's how you measure them all. I'm going to measure all four of them. And as long as they're within spec, we're going to roll with the bearings. And we'll put the bearings in it. One thing I will say about this block was not line bored by myself and Richard Clark. This was line bored by an independent shop, and he line bored it to size. So line boring to size means that you actually bore these dimensions to the final dimension. You don't get it close and then hone it. If you look, you can see there's no tooling marks there. There's no tooling marks on any of the bottom. So this block here, I am not too worried about an undersized timing chain. I should be good to go with a standard timing chain. And if you look, well, the camera shows it very well, but you can see it stops cutting right there. Hard to see. But even though the number 1 and number 4 caps are stock caps, they still needed a touch up because we put studs on them. Studs changes everything. So there you go. This block here is ready to start some assembly.